There are 4 reliable ways to check if a product is patented. The first method is using Google Patents at patents.google.com. Simply type in accurate keywords that describe your product. For example, if you are considering selling electric toothbrushes, type electric toothbrush rather than vague terms like toothbrush or overly specific terms like rechargeable sonic toothbrush with timer. This will bring up relevant results you can scan through. You will often see patents filed by well-known companies that look exactly like the products listed on Amazon. If you click on one of the results, you can compare the images and descriptions to see if the design or technology is protected. The second method is using the official USPTO database at uspto.gov. From there, select Search for Patents and use the Patent Public Search option. It is less user-friendly than Google Patents, but it is the official government source, so it gives you complete accuracy. The third method is a simple Google search. Type in your product idea plus the word patent, such as electric toothbrush patent. Often, you will find company announcements, product pages, or press releases that clearly state if the product is patented or pending approval. The fourth and safest method, especially if you are planning a large investment, is hiring a patent attorney or using a professional service. A preliminary patent search can cost only a few tens of dollars, while a full legal search may cost hundreds or even thousands depending on the product. This may sound expensive, but compared to the risk of losing your entire business or facing a lawsuit, it is one of the best investments you can make. See you in the next lesson.